Here are the 3 interesting facts about Amazon rainforest.
Poison dart frogs, Dendrobatidae. These brightly colored frogs are known for their toxic skin secretions used by indigenous tribes to coat blowgun darts. They come in a variety of vibrant colors and patterns: sloth, Bradypus spp, and Cholopus spp. The Amazon rainforest is home to several species of sloths, including the 3-toed and 2-toed sloths. They are known for their slow movement and are adapted to life in the treetops. Anaconda, Eunectes spp. The green anaconda, found in the Amazon River basin, is one of the largest snakes in the world by weight and girth. It is a powerful predator that primarily hunts in water.